Welcome to 10th class Physical Science Smart or Digital Online Classes. Today's topic mirror formula. I am RP sir. Derivation of formula for curved mirrors or mirror formula. Derivation of formula for curved mirrors or mirror formula. Observe the figure. The ray from the top B of the object AB is traveling parallel to the principal axis and striking the mirror at X. This ray passes through focal point after reflection. This ray passes through focal point after reflection. Another ray starting from B passes through center of curvature. Another ray starting from B passes through center of curvature, strikes the mirror at Y, and get back into the same direction. There are two rays, XB dash ray, YB dash ray. They intersect at B dash. There are two rays, XB dash, YB dash. These two rays intersect at B dash. Now B dash is the image of B. Hence A dash B dash is the image of AB. Hence A dash B dash is image of AB. From above figure, there are two similar triangles ABC and A dash B dash C. These are two similar triangles. According to similar triangle properties, height by height is equals to base by base. That means AB by A dash B dash, AB by A dash B dash is equals to base by base. That is AC by A dash C, AC by A dash C, AC by A dash C. Consider it as equation number 1. Now let us draw line XP dash. Let us draw a line XP dash perpendicular to the principal axis. Now we may get two more triangles, that is P dash FX and A dash B dash F. These are two similar triangles. Again, according to the properties of similar triangles, height by height is equals to base by base. Height by height is equals to base by base. Height P dash X by height A dash B dash. So P dash X by A dash B dash is equals to base by base P dash F by A dash F, P dash F by A dash F. From figure we can say that XP dash is equals to AB. XP dash is equals to AB. From figure xp dash is equals to AB. So instead of xp dash, we have to write AB. In equation 2, instead of xp dash, we have to write AB. Therefore AB by A dash B dash is equals to P dash F by A dash F. This is equation number 3. From equations 1 and 3, from equations 1 and 3, we may write AC by A dash C is equals to P dash F by A dash F. From equations 1 and 3, we can write AC by A dash C is equals to P dash F by A dash F. If the paraxial rays are considered, paraxial rays, the rays which are traveling very near to the principal axis, very near to principal axis, the rays which are very near to the principal axis are called paraxial rays. So in case of paraxial rays, this P dash point almost coincides this point P. In case of paraxial rays, this P dash point almost coincides P. Then P dash F is equals to PF. In equation, we have P dash F. Instead of P dash F, we have to write PF. So equation 4 can be modified as AC by A dash C is equals to PF by A dash F. From figure AC is equals to PA minus PC. AC is equals to PA minus PC. Similarly, A dash C is equals to PC minus PA dash. Similarly, A dash C is equals to PC minus PE dash. And A dash F is equals to PE dash minus PF. By substituting these equations in equation 5, so instead of AC, we have to write PA minus PC. Instead of A dash C, we have to write PC minus PA dash. Instead of A dash F, we have to write PA dash minus PF. Then equation, substituting these values in equation 5, we get PA minus PC by PC minus PA dash is equals to PF by PA dash minus PF. We know that PA is equals to object distance u. PC is equals to radius of curvature, which is equals to 2f. And PA dash is image distance v, and PF focal length small f. Once again, PA object distance u, PC radius of curvature r is equals to 2f. PA dash image distance v, PF focal length f. Substitute all these values in equation 6. We get u minus 2f by 2f minus v is equals to f by v minus f. Cross multiply, we get uv is equals to 2f square minus uf minus vf plus uf plus 2vf minus 2f square. Therefore, minus 2f square plus 2f square will get cancelled, and we have the term uv is equals to uf plus vf. Dividing equation, this is equation number 7. Dividing equation 7 with u vf, then we get 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. This is called mirror formula. Using this formula, we have to use sign convention in every situation. Thank you.